Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this pack, 4-pack of stainless metal hooks. So these can hold up to 50 pounds. Pretty cool. They have 3M foam tape on the back, so that's nice. And we have, there's 4-pack of these. So that. So it's basically like a double hook, one here and like one up here. It's kind of nice. And these are purported to hold up to 50 pounds. So I'm just going to go ahead and install one and test it out here. Okay, so I'm just going to hang it up right here. Just kind of clean that off a little bit. I would recommend a level if you are going to use this. So put a level on here and then we can put that on there. So couple ways I can do this. I'm just going to peel off this tape here. Okay. I want this even with that, so looks like I'll be able to do it from the side. So I'm going to try to find the middle here, pretty much right about there. And then from there, I'm going to get my leveled up on the side here. Okay, once that's there, now I'm just going to press this on there like that. That should be really level. Looks pretty good right there. Now, since this is supposed to be like on tile or glass or not necessarily on a painted surface, because basically you're only taping it to paint, but I think as long as it's not like something super heavy you're putting on there, this is still going to hold really well. And to demonstrate that, I have a 15-pound dumbbell here, and I'm just going to hang it from this bag. All right, here we go. So, dumbbells in there. And there we go, holding it nicely. So even just if you were to stick this on like glass or tile or some other like surface that it recommends, it's gonna, I'm pretty much guarantee it's gonna be holding that 50 pounds. So this is a 15 pounds, a lot heavier than anything else I'm gonna be hooking on here. So I'm just gonna be able, throw a towel on there or a bathrobe or something like that. Nothing particularly heavy, but that is really solid. It's not going anywhere. Looks really nice. Installation is super easy. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.